Hey guys, it's Troy again. Just doing another quick video for you. This one is again on home value. I did an earlier video for you on HomeBot, which is a different app you can use that'll give you a semi-custom value of your home. That's a free tool to use. This is another one that is also available on my site. It gives you a little more data up front. So let's check it out. Again, my website is troyemehiser.myrealtyonegroup.com. And again, you can find that Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So let's go check it out. The first place we're going to go here is What's My Home Worth on the home page. Just click on it. It's going to take you to this page, get an instant home value estimate. So if you enter your address there, I will just put my old home address in there again. Click Get Estimate, and it's going to bring it up for you. It's going to have a lot of information on here for you. The house, map of the house. It's going to bring up some website estimates on here. You can see the range on there. I think on HomeBot when we did that earlier it was $469. They all have some different algorithms and what information they pull to give you the estimate. So here you see Zillow, Home Junction, IDC, and tax assessment. If you go down a little bit further, it's going to ask you if you want more details. Send me information and I will work with you to put that together for you. Sales history, when I bought it, when I sold it, value history, and you can kind of go through there and follow the trend. Similar properties in the area, which ones have sold, which ones are for sale, pending, for sale, which ones are off market and were for sale. It's going to give you some sales statistics down here. You can go through this: for sale, pending, average, high and low, sold, off market. Here you're going to have some more graphs. This is going to show you the average sold and the average list price. So you're going to see the disparity here on where it was originally listed and what it actually sold for. Here you're going to have what properties are on market in different price ranges. You're going to see kind of the average here in the 3 to 500 range. Days on market, again averaging around 70. So a lot of information here. Local inventory, market data. So a lot of information here, pretty easy to use. Put in your address, click Get Value, and all this pops up for you. So if you want more details, send me a message and I will be glad to help you out. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.